Do you own Leica cameras? Do you take pictures on them? And do you make money with these things? Well, if you do, there may be a big problem. The Leica, handcrafted in Wetzlar, Germany. This red dot camera costs more than some people's cars, but it's a machine that says, I have arrived. But just imagine something. You're a professional photographer, you're out on a shoot, or you're working on a personal project. It's the biggest shoot of the year. But guess what? You either drop the camera or the shutter. There's something wrong with your beloved Leica, the camera you spent so much money on. So you give them a call and they tell you 4 to 6 months. No loaner, no priority line, no VIP anything. It's just, we'll get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Gary, professional photographer and storyteller. Today we're going to talk about something that some people in the Leica community have been quietly frustrated about for years, and something potential buyers should absolutely know before they drop big bucks on the red dot dream. We're talking about pro support programs, or more specifically, that Leica doesn't have one. Now, before everyone in the comments calls me a hater, I love Leica cameras. The M11, which I have right here, I love it. It's a masterpiece. And I also love my Leica MP when I get a film vibe. I get it, I really do. But here's the thing, when you're a working professional, a photojournalist, a wedding photographer, an editorial shooter, or any other professional photographer, your camera is your tool of your craft. It's your livelihood. Every day it's down is money out of your pocket and possibly a missed assignment, or a missed photo opportunity, or an art exhibit slips through the cracks because you don't have your sequence of pictures done. And that's exactly in the camera world where the competition has absolutely flanked Leica, and that's in pro support and expedited repairs. Let's talk about what everyone else is doing, because it's really quite impressive. Let's start with Nikon Professional Services, or NPS. They've been around for about 50 years. Here's how it works. NPS has 3 tiers. First, the Pro tier, the free tier if you qualify. You get a dedicated NPS support hotline, a dedicated rep, priority repairs, and access to exclusive member events. That's a free tier. Let that sink in. Next level up is the Pro Plus at around $200 a year. Gets you loaner cameras and lenses, up to 5 of those a year, free overnight return shipping on warranty repairs, plus 3 complimentary clean and check services. And if your gear's in for repair, Nikon sends you something to shoot while you wait. And at the very top is the Platinum Plus package at $349 a year. 10 equipment loans, 5 cleanings, 25% off repairs, and here's the kicker, 10% off new Nikon gear, up to $300 savings on a single purchase. That membership just about pays for itself. Oh, and Nikon offers on-the-ground support at major events worldwide, like sporting events and others, where NPS technicians physically are present to service your gear on site. For the Leica shooter, well, you better box up that camera body and pull out your backup. All right, let's talk about Canon's professional services, or CPS, and they got it dialed in. CPS operates on a points-based system. You register your Canon gear, earn points based on what you own, and unlock membership tiers from silver all the way up to platinum and even cinema. So this is what you get at the 2 top tiers. Canon Platinum and Cinema members get their camera back fixed in 2 days. Free loaner gear if your repair runs long. Also try before you buy evaluation loaners. Want to test the EOS R1 before you drop $6,000? Well, Canon will send it to you. 30% off repairs on up to 15 items per membership year. Free clean and check services, up to 10 items for Platinum and Cinema members. Free on-site support at major events like the Super Bowl, Olympics, and other major sporting events around the world. Canon does have a tent staffed with technicians and loaner gear right on location. All right, let's take a look at Sony's professional service. They came out with their Imaging Pro Support program in 2016, so they're the newest. For $100 a year, yes, $100, Sony Pro Support members get a 3-day business turnaround. Loaner cameras if the repair runs longer than 3 days. Evaluation loaners, That's so you can borrow Sony's flagship gear before you buy. 20% off out of warranty repairs, 3 free clean and check services every year, free shipping on both ways for your repair, and a dedicated priority phone and email support line open 7 days a week. Sony also does the major events with on-site support, and last but not least, one of the underdogs in the camera industry, Fujifilm. To their credit, they have FPS, or Fujifilm Professional Services. They kicked that program into gear in 2020 and it's been growing ever since. Fujifilm's offerings are very similar to the big 3 other camera makers. I'm not going to get into it in this video though. I think you guys get my point. So one of the big sticking points is the cost of no loaner. Let's say you're a professional photographer, you shoot editorial work, maybe some weddings or commercial jobs here and there. Your Leica M11, which retailed you around $9,000, developed a shutter issue right before a job. So you took the camera out of service and you sent it in to Leica. They confirmed they got it, and then silence. Weeks pass. Your job's in 2 weeks. With Nikon, Canon, Sony, and the others, here's what happens. From pro services, a loaner body shows up at your front door. You shoot your job, you get paid, your camera comes back fixed, life goes on. With Leica, your options are, well, you can rent a camera. You can budget $500 or more a day just for that. You could buy a backup Leica camera, which $5,000 to $9,000 a pop. That's not an easy, casual purchase for a professional photographer. Or you can explain away to your client why you can't deliver and tarnish your professional reputation. I have to say, none of these are really good options. So here's the painful irony. Leica costs more than any other camera system, but the camera that costs the most gives you the least support infrastructure when things go wrong. So why is this the case? Why doesn't Leica have a pro support program? Here's a few theories I have. First, it's scale. Canon, Nikon, and Sony are massive corporations. Nikon ships over 760,000 mirrorless cameras a year. Canon ships just over 2 million. The economics of running a pro support infrastructure are a lot easier when you're servicing millions of cameras. Leica, by contrast, is a boutique manufacturer. Beautiful, exclusive, and deliberately small. The kind of scale needed to staff service centers at every major sporting event globally just isn't realistic for them. Not to mention, that's not the camera of choice for sports photographers or major event photographers for the most part. Second, their target customer has historically been different. Leica's brand identity is built around street photographers, documentary photographers, photojournalists shooting slowly and deliberately, not sports photographers who need a body back in 48 hours if they miss the championship finals. The Leica buyer traditionally is someone who uses the camera as a tool, but also for them it's an object of pride and beauty. And objects of pride and beauty typically aren't expected to be rushed. Third, the most important thing is Leica has never positioned itself as competing directly with Canon, Nikon, or Sony in the working professional market. They sell desire, they sell legacy, they sell tradition. They put themselves above the Japanese makers as a luxury brand. They sell the idea that your photography is an investment, and that comes with the equipment first. But Leica cameras are increasingly finding their ways into the hands of working professionals who generally love the M's discreetness, the image quality, and the tradition. And that gap is becoming harder to ignore. So on a positive note, this is a fixable problem. And honestly, it's an opportunity, especially for Leica. Just imagine if Leica launched a premium pro support program. Let's call it LPS, or Leica Pro Support. Or let's get fancy, how about Red Dot Pro? I don't know, they can hire a naming consultant for that. They got the money for it. With even a fraction of what their competitors offer, they can do a dedicated priority repair line with a 2-week guaranteed turnaround. A loaner program for registered professional members, even just a few loaners per year. A small annual membership fee. They can even charge $500 a year for photographers, and I know many would pay it. Discounted repairs for pro members. They don't really need to do the technicians at the Olympics or those world events. What we really want, the pro perks, the repair service, the loaners. That's really where we want Leica to have our back. That alone would dramatically change the conversation between Leica and professional circles. Look, Leica makes some of the most special cameras in the world. If you've ever held an M11 and looked through this rangefinder, you know what I'm talking about. There's just nothing quite like it. The way it's made, it's solid, and the experience you get shooting with this camera, there's nothing else like it. None of the Japanese camera makers can really come close, in my opinion. But a camera, no matter how beautiful these things are, is only as good as the ecosystem around it. And right now, when it comes to supporting professional photographers, Leica is leaving a real big gap on the table. If you're a working professional and you're considering a Leica camera, and I'm not saying don't, just go in with your eyes open. Budget for a backup body. But that comes with a harsh reality. A second body is going to set you back a lot of money. And Leica, if you're watching, and I hope you are, your cameras are extraordinary. We are faithful to your brand, but your support infrastructure needs a little bit of work. And as a professional photographer, someone that makes a living off of your products, it's time we change that. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe. We talk about real gear, Leica cameras, Nikon cameras, real cost and real photography here. Drop a comment below. Do you shoot Leica? Are you a professional? Do you rely on your Leica camera to get the job done? And how have you handled this service gap? I would really love to know. All right, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.